Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can connect Calendly with your Go High Level. At first, you have to go to your Go High Level and then click on Calendars right under Business Services. From there, you're going to tap on Connections. And then what you're going to do is click on Add New just right next to Connected Calendars. From there, you need to click on Calendly because this is what we're willing to connect. So click on Connect next to Calendly. After that, you have to sign in to your Calendly to make sure it is your account. And then they're going to ask what are the things that you want to do to be fetched into the system. Like if it's a one-on-one consultation, let's say, do you want that to be popped up in the Go High Level, things like that. Anything you want, just tick on these things and then also check this box and then click on Save. And you can see Calendly will give a tick mark and it is going to start doing all the work. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.